Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter triangles, and in that class we discussed some important questions related to that topic. Okay, and we also discussed all the important theorems related to similarity of a triangle. Okay, so now in we already discussed about all the three important similarity criterion, and we discussed all the important theorem related to that topic. Now in today's class we take and discuss some other important theorems related to triangles, and we proving them. Okay, now let's see some important theorem related to areas of two similar triangles. We discuss about the topic areas of two similar triangles. We discuss about the topic areas of two similar triangles. Okay, a very important theorem related to that topic is what, and your theorem is very important theorem, the ratio of the prove that the ratio of the areas of the areas of the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles of two similar two similar triangles are equal to the ratio of the squares of the squares of squares of any two of any two corresponding sides This is the theorem. Dear student, this is a very important theorem of your syllabus related to topic triangles. And let's see once more time. Here we have to show that the theorem is prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles are equal to the ratio of the squares of any two corresponding side. This is a very most important theorem related to your chapter triangles. Now let's we prove that theorem. Okay, so first of all, in that theorem we draw two triangles. Let's take, first of all, we draw here the ratio of the two similar triangles na, so we draw two similar triangles. Let A B C and this is D E F. We draw two similar triangles. Okay, and we have to do some constructions. Draw AL and DM perpendicular to AC and EF respectively. So first of all, dear student, we write given what's given in our theorem, and in that theorem it is given that what, two similar triangles. Here two triangles ABC, in given two triangles ABC and triangle DEF, two triangles ABC and DEF, such that both are what, both are similar to each other. So such that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, now we have to show that. To prove what we prove, we have to show that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ABC is equal to the square of equal to the ratio of the square of any two corresponding sides, means AB square upon DE square, it is equal to BC square upon EF square is equal to AC square upon DF square. We have to show that. Okay, we have to show that this result. Now for that we have to do some construction. And what is the construction in that theorem? In construction we draw AL is perpendicular to BC and DM is perpendicular to EF. DM is perpendicular to EF. This is the construction in that theorem. Okay, now look what I do. Now we have to write what? Now we write proof, just we proving them. Let's see. Since we know that two similar triangles are equiangular and their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. This is the concept. And their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. Now according to that concept we can write, let's see. Now dear friends, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, that is its corresponding angles are equal as well as their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. That is angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. And their corresponding sides are also proportional, means AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Okay, here we take equation number 1. So by the concept of similarity we have this information, and we have to show that their corresponding the ratio of these two triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Now let's see. Now in triangles ALB and triangle BMD, B and DME, we have, let's see what we have. We have angle ALB is same as angle DME is equal to what? 90 degree by construction, by construction. Okay, and now look, ALB is same as angle DME is equal to 9, and B is equal to angle A, angle B is equal to angle A. This is given, means corresponding angles. Okay, that is by AA similarity, triangle ALB is similar, triangle AB is similar to triangle DME. Okay, triangle ALB is similar to triangle DME. That is, by the concept of similarities, we have what? Let's see. That is, we have AB upon DE, AB upon DE is equal to AL upon DM. Okay, AL upon DM. Take equation number 2. So in this way, by the help of the figure, we take triangle ALB and DME and we represented it, we defined it in this way, which these are congruent to each other, and we get a relation AB upon DE is equal to AL upon DM. Take equation number 2. Okay, take equation number 2. Thus, using equation 1 and 2, we get, thus using equation 1 and 2, we get what? Let's see. This is AB upon D is equal to this. So from that relation, we get AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF is equal to AL upon DM. Take equation number 3. Means the ratio of the corresponding sides of two similar triangle is same as the ratio of their corresponding altitude. This is also a very important relationship between them. Okay, now look. Thus, now we write the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF. Thus, the ratio of area of triangle ABC to the area of triangle DEF. Okay, we get the area of triangle ABC 1 upon 2 base into height. Base is BC and height is what? AL. Similarly, for that triangle 1 upon 2 into base is what? EF and height is what? DM. Now 1 by 2 what? Cancel to each other. So we get BC upon EF is into AL upon DM. Okay, now look. Now using equation 3, we have BC upon EF. BC upon EF is equal to AL upon DM, or AL upon DM is equal to BC upon EF. Okay, so we put the value of AL upon DM. So we have area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC upon EF into BC upon EF, that is BC square upon EF square. Similarly, area of this triangle ABC upon area of DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square is equal to BC upon EF square is equal to AC upon AC square upon DF square. Hence proved. Okay, thus dear student, in this way you can prove that we prove that theorems. Now this is one of the most important theorems, so please dear student do more and more practices. Now we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. Let's see. we take and solve some important question based on the result, similar area of similarity of a triangle. Okay, the ratio of area of the triangle. Now the question is, we take a very, if triangle ABC, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, such that, okay, such that area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is 9 centimeter square, is 9 centimeter square, and the area of triangle, and the area of triangle DEF is 16 centimeter square, 16 centimeter square. Okay, and BC is equal to, and BC is equal to 2.1 centimeter, 2.1 centimeter. Find the length of EF, find the length of EF. Now let's see its solution. Dear student, this is the very important question based on theorems. Okay, now look, we simplify them. So first of all, let's see, we draw two triangles in this way. This is ABC, and another triangle is what, DEF, and both are similar to each other. So since we have, since triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, okay, then, and also we have, thus the ratio of their areas, okay, thus the ratio of their areas is same as the ratio of the square of two corresponding sides of these triangles. So that is, by theorem, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is same as the ratio of the square of two similar sides. So we take corresponding side, we take as BC and EF, because of here BC is given and EF is, find that, so we take their corresponding sides as BC and EF. Or we also write as, we know that AB square upon DE square is equal to BC square upon EF square, as well as AC square upon DF square. But we take as this relation, okay, because of we have this point, this values. So now we put the value of area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is 9, so here we put 9 upon area of triangle DEF is what, 16. This is 16 is equal to BC square upon EF square. BC is what, 2.1, so 2.1 square, okay, upon EF, right as it is, EF square, EF square. Okay, dear students, now we can write as 9 by 16, we can write 3 by 4 whole square is equal, this is what, 2.1 upon EF square. Okay, now square cancel to each other, we can remove them, so we get as what, 3 by 4 is equal to 2.1 upon EF, that is EF is equal to what, 2.1 into 4 upon 3, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, so 8.4 upon 3. Now we 2.8, so after this is the 2.8, thus the value of the student EF is what, 2.8 centimeter. This is the questions. Okay, so this is the method, dear friends, to solve that type of question based on the theorem. Areas of the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is same as the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So in this way you do more and more practices of theorems, and as well as on questions based on that topic. Now we take some other important question of your NCERT book, exercise based on this topic. question is, in the given figure, in the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium is a trapezium ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to AB is parallel to DC and AB is equal to 2 times DC. Find the ratio of the areas. Find the ratio of the areas. Find the ratios of the areas of triangle AOB and triangle COD. Let's see its solution. And a figure is, and the given figure is what? ABCD. Let's see, ABCD is a figure trapezium in which AC and BD are diagonal, intersect each other at point O. We have to show that AOB and COD. Okay, so first of all, we represent as K that are we take these two triangle, we represent it in similarity. Now first of all, we have to show that K triangle AOB. Now from figure in triangle AOB and triangle COD we have let's see, AB parallel to CD, because of in trapezium one pair of sides is parallel to each other. We have AB parallel to CD, that is that angle is equal to that angle and that angle is equal to that angle, that is angle OAB is same as what? OAB is same as angle OCD, and this is also equal. AOB is equal to COD. These are the vertically opposite angles, and angle AOB is same as angle COD. This is the alternate interior angle, and these are the vertically opposite angles. Okay, thus by AA similarity, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Okay, so first of all, we represent it, we define that, we prove them कि they both triangles are similar to each other. Now by the according to theorem, if two triangles are similar, then the areas of two triangles, then by theorem areas of these two triangles means AOB upon triangle COD is equal to the square of the ratio of two corresponding sides, means AB square upon CD square, or CD square, DC or DC square. Okay, so we apply the result कि we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is same as the ratio of the square of two corresponding sides. This is the theorem. These are one of the most important theorem. Now let's see, now we put the values. Area of triangle A, we find the ratio of areas of, okay, we find that. Now we have, since we have AB is equal to 2 times DC. 2 times DC. Now we put the value of AB. So we get area of triangle AOB, area of triangle COD is equal to, we put 2 times DC square upon DC square, right, as it is. 2 to the 4 into DC square upon DC square cancel to each other, so we have 4 upon 1. Thus the required ratio is, means area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is a 4:1. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so this is a very important question, so please dear student do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take and solve one more question based on that topic. Let's see. Now we take a question, we take the same question in the trapezium, in the same trapezium ABCD. AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to 2 times CD, 2 times CD. Okay, find if the area of triangle AOB is equal to 84 centimeter square. Find the area of triangle COD. This is the question. So this question solving same as the previous question. So let's see its solution. So first of all, this is the trapezium ABCD, in which, and we let's see diagonal intersect each other at point O. So now, so here from figure it is clear, just I discuss about that, the area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is same as the area of the square of two corresponding sides, means AB square upon CD square. Okay, now what I do, because of we have to show that the triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. If two triangles are similar, then what, the ratio of their areas is same as the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So we apply that concept. Now, so from there we put area of triangle AOB is what, this is 84. We find area of triangle COD, we write as it is, and AB is what, 2 into CD, so 2 into CD square whole square into CD square, write as it is. Now this is 84 upon area of triangle COD is equal to 4 into CD square upon CD square. CD square what, cancel to each other. Now from there, area of triangle COD is same as, is equal to 84 upon 4. 4 2 the 8, 4 1 the 4. Thus dear student, the area of triangle COD is equal to 21 centimeter square. This is the required solution of the given question. Thus dear student, in this way, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of question based on the property theorems related to similar area of similarity of a triangle. Okay dear students, these are the very important question of your syllabus. Thus dear students, now first of all you revise all the question and theorem which we discuss in that class, and after that you complete your NCERT exercise. Now in next class we take and discuss some other important questions related to that topic. Okay, now thanks to all.